Okay guys, I wanted to show, I picked up, what, 5 I think, neon tetras yesterday, and let's see if I can play around and get to breeding some more. We want to have a bunch of them in the 125 out in the living room where the angels are. I'd like to get a whole school of neons going in there. Got 5 nice ones from my local fish store, or excuse me, 7 of them. Why I keep saying 5? So we'll see. They're good and healthy. See if I can get them breeding and make lots of babies. But I love the little neon. I think they're so cool.